Alright, welcome to a new video. In this episode, it's the next car to review because I want to exchange my current BMW 5 Series and maybe this is the next car I should drive. Please drop me some comments if this may be the right car for the next step regarding the BMW 5 Series. And yeah, let's take a review today. It's the BMW M850 in sunset orange. It delivers 530 horsepower, has a V8 engine and is a beast, as you can see. It just needs 3.7 seconds to uplift you to 100 kilometer per hour. So let's take a in-depth look. Oh, it's really sporty, this car. So you got the Bang & Olufsen sound system, really nice with ambient lighting inside. So there you got the ambient light as usual in this kind of luxury sports car. Also ambient light and the typical design of the BMW entertainment system. Digital, also with gesture. Yeah, the typical gesture system. Really comfortable. Have a look. Isn't it a nice car? It's really sporty. I mean, it's enough space to ride with 4 people, but honestly, I mean, I remember when I had my BMW 4 Series Coupe 2 years ago, and I think it was the same space compared to the BMW 8 Series right now. Maybe it's a little bit wider, but it is definitely the same space, the same atmosphere. Not as luxurious as the BMW 8 Series, but I mean the 4 Series is also quite sporty, quite low and quite, I mean, compact. Yeah, but overall a really nice car. I mean, this car has a listing price of 120,000 euro. I mean, it's definitely a high-level sports car. And yeah, they calculated the leasing rate for me, and it is about 1,000 euro without any additional payment per month for 4 years. So if you're asking yourself right now how much you should spend on this kind of car, yeah, at least 1,000 euro a month. As you can see, the windows are quite small. It's really sporty, really flat. Everything is really flat and kind of downsized regarding the height. But it also gives you this kind of sports car feeling. And yeah, you got several modes. It's a sport mode here. And I think we should start with the engine right now. Ooh, yeah. It's definitely an astonishing sound. So we got the sports mode. We can select between standard, standard plus, individual and individual configurated. Then we have the comfort mode. So the comfort mode is, I think, 50% less sound than the normal sports mode. The sports mode gives you a kind of deep and aggressive kind of sound, and the comfort mode is, I think, more like the soft mode, quite not spectacular. And then the Eco Pro. Eco Pro is definitely the most efficient way to drive this kind of car, because I think it usually drives with 15 liter for 100 kilometers, and I think this Eco Pro mode could reduce this kind of spending. So, and then you have this adaptive mode. Adaptive mode is kind of realizing what kind of street you are driving, and then it adapts regarding the street situation. So if you have a street which is not soft, it's more hard, regarding a kind of disabilities on the street, then it adapts the overall driving, so you have a more soft driving. And if you gonna deliver fast speed with this car, this adaptive mode will adapt to this kind of driving style and brings you a more harder, more direct sports mode. Yeah, then really new is this kind of glass detail. It feels very nice, and it's definitely unusual and brings kind of luxurious style in this sports car. I mean, depends on the taste, but I think it is definitely something really unique, which separates BMW from the typical Mercedes or Audi interior styles. So the best review to have with this car is to drive it. So let's start the engine and we will see us on the road again. What the fuck? This beast is awesome.
This beast is on fire.